The internet was abuzz this morning after the storm moved through Boise last night. People are wondering if it was truly thunder they heard around 8:30 p.m. or instead was it the boom of some jet plane? Scott Logan takes a look.
The National Weather Service confirms the overnight storm created several cases of lightning and thunder. But some people believe what they heard overnight was not thunder at all and had to be something different, human-caused. Just now, was that an F-15? Posted one person on a community website. Maybe they were F-16s, replied another. No, came another post. They're testing F-35s. It's to ensure our freedom, someone else stated. A spokesman from Mountain Home Air Force Base told us they're checking to see if any of their fighter jets were over Boise at the time, but the F-35s doing training at the base are back in California, so it wasn't them. We were able to confirm that a private charter 747 did lift off from the Boise airport around 8:30 and 9 o'clock in the evening, and that's an unusually large aircraft for our area. The Idaho National Guard has stated large transport aircraft would be coming and going in Boise as a result of the new deployment overseas, but for obvious security reasons, these arrivals and departures are not being made public. For now, whatever went bump in the night remains a mystery. Scott Logan, KBOI2 News, Boise.
And Mountain Home Air Force Base just got back to us and confirmed it had no aircraft in the area at the time. The Mountain Home Air Force Base spokesman did say one of its air operations officers who lives in Boise also heard that sound overnight and said it was definitely not a sonic boom.